Today I'm going to show you how to do a melted wave nail art. You'll need a dark blue, a true blue, a light blue, and a white. Then place the blooming gel on the nail and do not cure. Then you're going to scoop the product off and gently lay it down onto the nail and let the blooming gel do the rest of the work. Any spots that look too solid, you can just go over with some more color and just pull it down towards the bottom. Then you can use a fine line brush and add in any other color that you want to just kind of make the effect more in depth. I would say play with it until you achieve the look you want and then cure. Here's another version from the bottom going up on a thumbnail. After curing, you're going to add gold flakes to the design, just on the top of the tacky layer of the base, and then you're just going to tap it in. Then you're going to add a layer of top coat over the whole thing, and then cure. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.